Hey, very good morning, guys. TGIF. This is GK here from your friendly weekly investment channel. The markets are under pressure. After the PCE index, the inflation is at 0.6. Um, so, um, you know, so the inflation index grew up by 0.6%, which is one of those key information that Feds watch, and that is kind of keeping a lid on the markets. The interest rates are going high. So you know the markets doesn't like all these um, you know uh, changes, or the inflation is the key thing that the Feds watch, and if it is out of control, Fed is going to definitely reconsider their interest rate hike, the rate at which it is going to go up. So um, markets are having some bad news. One of them is this, and the ongoing war, right? So all these are having an impact on this market one way or the other. On a brighter side, I think the block Square, right, is trading higher. Boeing has some headlines that they have halted 787 deliveries because of documentation issues. Carvana is tanking, right, not doing well. Um, Open Door also missed its earnings. Warner Brothers missed earnings. So all those are negative campers except Block, right? We have to watch the SOX index how it is today. Because those are one of the highlights yesterday because of Nvidia. Intel should not lose more steam, after its dividend, after it slashed the dividend, right? So there is home housing related data, is also on the deck today. All these are kind of you know, all these news will impact the markets. So let's go back and look at the markets, how they are, where they are in terms of the trend. Um, so this is SPY, daily trade, right? This is, let me zoom in a little bit. So this was the area it bounced up, and at this point we cannot look at the pre-market. So I'm going to zoom on a 1 day, 1 minute chart so that you know the trend. So um, the markets are kind of sluggish around this, like 8 a.m. Eastern, and after the inflation data, the PCE index, you know, the SPI has gone to new lows, 395 for the last 10 days, right? So if this trend continues, um, I think we might hit the 395 area to close. So let's look at that in a bit. Let's do a daily. So um, I think 396 was lower overnight. It took over that. The pre-market was 395. So I have a feeling that the range is going to be somewhere between 395 and 398. I have a feeling that it could be a $3 wide range. Just to look at it, I think the market mover is about $3 today, at least for based on the volatility, right? It's just good $2, $2 to $3 range. Um, so um, so let's look at something else. The SOX index. how it is doing, right? SOX index is not trading yet. It is expected to be under pressure as well. Can look at SMH. SMH is supposed to open at 238 or 237, right? How about the crude oil, guys? It will have an impact as well, but crude oil is trading around $75. Let's look at gold, right? The gold futures are slightly negative. So net, the markets are not good this morning. So guys, um, I will give you more updates in my midday markets update. At this point, markets are negative, and if you're a long-term trader, look for good opportunities, whichever stock you like that gives you good dividends and it is in good business, right? So look at those stocks and try to pick something that you like. For short-term traders, guys, it's going to be pretty volatile. So hang tight. If you like this content, please share your comments and also remember to subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much. Talk to you guys in another video. Until such time, enjoy. Cheers.